Got a 10 by 20 Billboard truck ready to go for sale in Rhode Island. It's got 68,000 miles on it. If you want to advertise your business, you can do so with this truck. I'm currently selling it because I'm moving to Switzerland. So, if you want to advertise your business locally, or if you have a place to put the billboard where there's a lot of traffic, then you won't even have to drive the billboard. I'll show you. So there's no lights on. It has 68,000 miles, 68,392. It's got a bit of gas in it too, and it works perfectly fine. We got a backup camera installed, so you can see what's happening here. That's custom. Had that put in. And if you're interested in the truck, just let me know.